Hello, welcome to my channel, Late Start Adventures. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to be making my mom's chocolate coconut bars. In our family, we say they're worth fighting over. I know Christmas is over, but it's still the holiday season, and these bars are delicious anytime. Today we're going to make my mom's Mounds bars. Use graham crackers, about 14 of them. What I did is I put them in this bag. Make sure you got all the air out of it. And then you smash them down with this pin or any rolling pin. Melt down a quarter cup of butter. I just did it in the microwave. Mix it all together and then you pat it in a 13 by 9 pan. Get it all nice and flat. Then you're going to want to bake this for 10 minutes. While that's baking, you can take your sweetened condensed milk and 2 cups of coconut. And this coconut was in the freezer. I would suggest getting it to room temperature, and also make sure that the sweetened condensed is room temperature too, because it makes it a lot easier to spread. And you're going to want this graham cracker crust to cool down a little bit before you spread everything on there. When you're mixing this stuff, it's really sticky. I had to break apart the frozen chunks. And it worked out just fine, but it would work a lot better if it wasn't frozen. As you can see, it's sticky. Get it all mixed up good together. And then you stick it in the pan like that. I didn't show you because I struggled a little bit because it was frozen. And you're going to want to bake that for 15 minutes. And you're going to use a cup and a half of chocolate chips. I like the minis because they melt better. Melt faster, I should say. And you just want to spread them all over. Make sure it's good and spread all over in the corners and everything. Don't want anybody to be missing chocolate when they get their piece.
Don't they look good? And it's best before you cut into them to put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes and let that chocolate chips harden up a little bit.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, friends.